Hulk Credit Repair App. Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are available in the description below for easy access. Hulk Credit Repair App is a relatively new player in the credit repair industry, designed for users who want a quick and straightforward way to improve their credit scores. This app is built for people who have negative items on their credit reports, such as late payments, collections, or defaults, and need a simple way to start repairing their credit. The app offers a range of tools to help users dispute negative items, monitor their credit, and track improvements in their credit scores over time. One of the app's key features is its dispute automation. Hulk Credit Repair App allows users to automatically generate dispute letters for the items on their credit reports that they want to challenge, saving time and making the process more efficient. It also offers credit score tracking, so users can monitor their progress as they dispute items and make positive changes to their credit. Another standout feature is its user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for those who may not be familiar with credit repair. The app provides easy-to-understand reports and guides that break down each step of the process, helping users understand how credit repair works and what actions they should take next. Additionally, Hulk Credit Repair App provides credit education resources, which can be a helpful tool for users looking to learn more about managing and improving their credit long-term. The strengths of Hulk Credit Repair App lie in its simplicity, affordability, and efficiency. It's designed for people who want a DIY credit repair solution that doesn't require a lot of time or effort. However, its weaknesses include the fact that it may not be as comprehensive as full-service credit repair companies that offer personalized consultations or legal support for more complex credit issues. Also, some users might find the automation too limited if they need more tailored or aggressive dispute strategies. In conclusion, Hulk Credit Repair App is a solid choice for those who need an affordable and easy-to-use tool to help repair their credit. It's best for individuals looking for a straightforward, self-guided approach to credit repair with the ability to track their progress and dispute errors efficiently.